Hi money viewers, I'm Susie Moore, author and life coach. And although as an extrovert, limited activity and social engagement is not something that comes easily to me, I'm making the most of this period of social distancing and self-quarantining at home. Let me ask you this, do you want to use this uncertain period constructively too? In this very serious time, social distancing is the most responsible thing that we can do. So while the world feels completely out of control out there, why not focus on what we have control over inside? The small space in which we live, and most importantly, how we direct our minds. I'm going to share with you a few ways you can claim your power and use this indoor time to focus on what will help you in the longer term. Exploit the once-in-a-lifetime no FOMO, no fear of missing out. There will never probably be a time like this in your life with fewer distractions. It's not, should I work on my side hustle or go to the bar? No one's at the bar or on holiday or even out for coffee. We're all in this same position and no one is missing out on anything. The great news is this allows you to focus fully on whatever you put in front of you. Get to those important but never quite urgent tasks. Maybe it's creating something. What did you never have time to do before? Write a book. Read all those fiction, business, or inspirational books you have that are piling up. Maybe painting the bedroom. I'm spending this time batching 6 months of content for YouTube and for my website, so that once we're able to get out and be around others again, I won't have to hide away to do it. Skill up. Take an online course. Look, coronavirus has and will continue to send shockwaves throughout the job market. So now is as good a time as ever to hedge against future uncertainty by giving your skill set a boost. And a fantastic way to do that while in isolation is via an online course. And there are thousands of them. Have you purchased one maybe but never logged into it? Do it. Maybe you've had your eye on one for a while. Purchase it. If you're in the financial position to, now is the moment to dig in. Online courses are an incredible resource and can start from as little as $29. You can sharpen almost any skill this way, copywriting, graphic design, even landing your own PR. There are a lot of free classes out there too, so look around and see what fits your needs best. Take joy breaks. Just because a news cycle and social media are active 24/7 doesn't mean your consumption has to be. You want to be informed, yes, but you don't need to be glued to it all because it's proven that fear weakens the immune system. You can choose to dial down the outer noise for a bit and take some joy breaks. Limiting the news and the social media scroll hole. You can go for a walk if that's allowed in your area. Maybe make a cup of tea and sit on your sofa with no screens for a bit. It's not just allowed, it's encouraged. This is probably where you'll get your creative ideas too. Be intentional about your day. I've worked from home for the last 6 years now, and I know how different it is compared to going into an office. But here are some simple structures you can follow to help you have a highly productive, close to normal work life at home. Write down the 3 priorities for the next day at night. When you wake up, follow your morning routine, coffee, shower, meditate, whatever you do on a regular day. This helps keep you in a healthy routine. Do your most important work first, using your best morning brain, also known typically as your golden hours. Then break, lunch, move your body. Then use the afternoon for correspondence, emails, social media check-ins, virtual meetings. Wind down and check in, most importantly, with the people that you love. Then you can read or watch television, and if you need television, don't waste a single second feeling guilty about it. Then write down your 3 priorities for the next day. Repeat. Keep it simple. Remember, you don't have to make the most of this time, and if you need a break, take it. The most important thing is to do what's right for you and understand that social distancing doesn't mean emotional distancing, and loneliness is the biggest cause of stress. So don't forget to stay connected and be kind and responsible towards others too. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below and share this video with your friends and family who you think can benefit from it too. Until next time.